A tribute to late Jane Ginya. Birth and family. Jane Ginya was born on 24th March 1992 in Giore village. She was the beloved daughter of the late Benjamin Muzosi and Esteria Kanja. Jane was a cherished sister to the late Joseph Maringa, Nigareta Mudhoni, Teresia Jerry, Nancy Boy, Frances Kariuki, Mary Bandi, Jennifer Kariga, Bernard Jero, Christine Kanini, and Paulo Kimanzi. She was also a loving aunt to many. Church life. Jane was a devoted Christian. She was baptized at Iriamrai Parish in the year 1993 and remained a faithful, and she was active member of choir at St. Anne Madogo, Garissa Catholic Church. Education. Jane began an educational journey at Giore Primary School, where she studied from 1998 to 2005. She then joined Giore Integrated Secondary School in 2007 before transferring to Garissa Madogo Secondary School in 2010, completing a secondary school in 2012. Pursuing a passion for teaching, Jane later enrolled at Garissa Teaching Training College from 2021 to 2023. Marriage and family. In the year 2013, Jane was united in marriage to Josephat Sachita. Together, they were blessed with two wonderful sons, Benedict Kariuki Sachita and Gift Joel Sachita. Career and work life. Jane dedicated a professional life to nurturing young minds. She served as a teacher and as a manager at Blue Towers Academy in Garissa, where she worked diligently and passionately until her ultimately passing. Demise, a final journey. On that June 2025, our beloved Jane Ginya met her untimely demise following a tragic road accident. She was on her way to Garissa at Mwatunga, Masinga sub-county. Though she left this one too soon. A legacy of love, kindness, and service will continue to shine our lives. May her soul rest in eternal peace.